For over 30 years, our automation products have regulated the comfort, energy, lighting, and water use in buildings spanning the globe. It's remarkable, and yet that's only part of the story. Reliable Controls had its beginnings way back in 1986. It's an interesting story. A college grad designing building controls from his parents' home, then moving to a small shop in Surrey, British Columbia, then moving here to Victoria, and here we are today. Over 150 hard-working, honest individuals manufacturing thousands of building controllers each year, installed and serviced by hundreds of authorized dealers across the world. Our controllers are found in just about every kind of building you can imagine, from schools to hospitals, commercial offices to research facilities, greenhouses to military installations, even high-end residential buildings and Olympic Games facilities. If you can measure it and control it electronically, we can build a solution to do it. Over the years, Victoria has earned a reputation for being a very special place, with unique character, a flourishing high-tech industry, rich history, and stunning natural beauty. Its big city amenities, yet small town sensibilities. Obviously, this has benefited us in attracting world-class talent. You can feel the dedication and the attention to detail that comes out of the quality and care that's used to produce every one of our products.
If you've bought a high-end automation system, you want to see a high level of care and attention to detail throughout the product design and assembly. From the enclosures to the interfaces, right down to the connectors and switches. With Reliable Controls, what you see counts as much as what it does. We listen carefully to customer feedback and work with some very, very skilled professionals, creating world-class building controls in an environmentally responsible way.
The thing with Reliable Controls is, because you're dealing with the quality side of it all the time, it gets ingrained into you that everything has to be absolutely perfect for the end user. We have to be conscious about it from as soon as the materials come in. The average product has several hundred components. Everything goes through quite a meticulous inspection process before it's passed and ready to use in our products. Here, it's all about the quality mindset. After you've worked here for a while, you just do it without even thinking about it.
We've got a lot of technology. I've been in the business for 19 years. So I've seen it from the days where we hand-assembled products and visually inspected circuit boards with magnifying glasses. Today, we have automated SMT machines and state-of-the-art software design. In the last few years, it's 3D printing, 3D modeling, and cloud computing. While that's all high technology, we still totally rely on our traditional skills with traditional technicians and software engineers, designers, and assemblers that are still able to make things by hand, because the machines enhance rather than replace what we do with our own skills. And you couldn't really build automation products like we do at Reliable Controls with just one of those disciplines by themselves.
For the last 6 years, I've been on the production floor here at Reliable Controls. I have to say, our team is one of the best in the business. Kits are assembled, parts are soldered, quality is tested, packaged up and ready to ship anywhere in the world in just under 4 days. Keep in mind, there are over 350 products in our catalog. And at any given time, anyone on the team could be asked to build any one of those. Our biggest asset is the flexibility among all the Reliable Controls teams, I think.
Our headquarters provides a very comfortable and pleasant space where engineers, programmers, technicians, and creative people love to work. You can feel a real sense of openness when you walk down the aisles. From the top down, we are a very close-knit team, inside and outside of the office. Some of us have been friends for decades. Yeah, lots of good memories in this place.
There is a reason why the largest department at Reliable Controls is research and development. While there's no doubt the way we physically build our controllers is impressive, the way we program that hardware is an art all on its own. We take extreme complexity and create something that is simple, flexible, and sustainable, so our end users and authorized dealers can have a rock-solid platform to create any possible solution they can imagine. These controllers can end up just about anywhere, and any failure can end up affecting entire communities. The challenge is how fast technology changes. We code in such a way that a controller we made way back in 1986 is able to connect and communicate with our latest models today, and everything will just work. We obsessively test during the entire development process. We peer review the test results. We alpha test it to try to break things. Okay, that's kind of fun. Then we test it again to find any possible flaw before anything goes to market. Once on the market, guess what we do? That's right, we test some more. It's the marriage between high quality code and high quality hardware that gives us our legendary reputation.
If you look at the design of our products, everything's built to last. So we put an enormous amount of care and detail into not only producing an outstanding controller, but making sure that we can support that controller into the future. It's a remarkable product with a real commitment to people and technology. We have shipped hundreds of thousands of building controllers, landmarks, industries, public institutions, homes, every kind of environment you can imagine. We've been in continuous production now for over 31 years, producing building controls which will remain dependable for future generations to come. That's not just remarkable, that's reliable controls.